Hey guys, another Tuesday tip for you. We're here in an outdoor kitchen, and something that's really popular right now is smokers. Smokers actually built into the area. Lots of different ways. We're going to show you some of the tips right now. This is the Kamado Joe. There's lots of others, green egg, and there's really a lot of these types of egg smokers. The tip is just how the different ways to install it in the actual cook space. So a lot of people just have traditionally done these as a freestanding, but when you just put it and you just build into the kitchen a little ledge, now you can do the granite or the solid surface countertop around it, but if you just do something like this where you just put a ledge and now it just sits right here, it's really, really nice for the smoker right here, and obviously all the smoke's gonna go out right here, and it's right next to the barbecue. So really, this is a great little tip. So think about that when you're thinking about your outdoor kitchen. Why not add in a smoker? It is a really nice feature that it's very, very popular right now. And so think about it. You don't necessarily just have to have it detached away from everything else. It could go right here in the kitchen. Fun stuff. This is a kind of a cool way that we did it here with a bar that we put in front of the actual cook space. This is not built in, it's all store-bought, but we kind of hid it very nicely with a bar around it. So this is a great solution for those types of spaces where you don't necessarily want to build it all in. This is great with the storage that we have underneath. These are all just store-bought racks that you can buy, and then around it again is that nice bar that's all built in. We'll go ahead and shoot some B-roll of this so you can really see it. All right guys, hope you appreciate this tip. We'll talk to you soon.